Summer's almost over, so we're going to try to get a few more meals in on the grill. I looked up some recipes on winespectator.com and settled on a grilled lamb and charred corn recipe from Carroll of Brooklyn's Fette. We've got some corn ready to harvest in the field, so it seemed like an easy choice.
This variety of corn is called Catalyst. It's one of my favorites to grow and matures in about 66 days, and it's a bit sweeter than other varieties. I thought it would add a nice nuance to our meal. Before we start grilling, we're going to prepare the MINT-GREMOLATA butter for the lamb and the compound cream cheese for the corn. We're aiming for medium rare. Lamb shoulder is pretty fatty, so you may need to cook it a little longer than you expect.
And we're grilling the corn extra charred, which is going to give the kernels a nice smoky, nutty flavor. The Beaujolais is perfect with the lamb and the corn. It's easy drinking and approachable, and all the grilled flavors in the lamb and the corn are really strong, so this just goes really well with it.
I agree. It's light and refreshing, especially on a warm day like today, and the acidity goes really well with the lamb flavor.
I'm getting to experience the grilled flavors in the meat and the charred flavors in the corn, and then the Beaujolais is just a nice accent.
Thanks for finding this recipe.
Thanks for growing the corn.